Hi everybody, and welcome to Mix It Up in the Kitchen. It is Saturday here in Maine. It's got a light drizzle and 55 degrees. Whoop, whoop. Okay, what I have for you today is an easy cheesecake truffle with some fruit. Yummy. So, I will tell you everything you need. You need a cake. I used a yellow cake. Blueberries, strawberries. Those are the fruits I used. You can use anything you want. I use the whipped topping and get my cover over here. And the Philadelphia cheesecake no bake. This is no bake there. And you can go and buy a cake and it would be no bake. Can be no bake, can be baked, whatever you choose to do. Okay, here are my blueberries, strawberries. Strawberry season's in Maine right now. They just started picking this week. This is the cheesecake. This is the whipped topping. And this is my cake. I made it in a pretty bundt pan, but you're not gonna know that because I'm gonna chunk it all up. And what I did is I made the yellow cake, then I put blue sprinkles, red and white, and then I just kind of took a toothpick and blended it all in. So we're gonna do that. I'm using a very small trifle bowl because there is only 2 of us. This is a special treat for us, and I'm gonna bring you down. We're gonna get started. Whoops, whoops. Sorry about that. Whoops, my thing doesn't wanna move this morning. I'm terribly, terribly sorry. There, my dad gave me a whole bunch of these plastic cutting mats. I love them. Okay, we're gonna start with this, the bowl and the cake. Let's see, I could use this knife here. And we'll start with this much. Then we're just gonna go like this. And we'll do it one more time. And then what I'll do is take it like this and just kind of do it like this. Put a nice layer on the bottom. I hope everybody's having a great day. What are you doing for the 4th of July? I don't know what we're doing. It'll probably be something very quiet. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna call this the first layer. Then we're gonna come in. I have an offset spatula here. Come in with the cheesecake, whoops, just like this. I wanna get enough so I don't have to keep dipping. Okay, we're just gonna spread it around. Spreads up really nice. Just like this. Then I'm gonna come in, get some whipped topping, like this. Didn't mean to get it on the side, but I did. Old Messy Marvin here. Okay, just like this. And I don't like my things messy. I go crazy when it's messy. Yeah, wipe it up a little bit. Okay, then we're gonna take another, whoops, geez, Brenda, don't forget the berries. Then we're gonna take a few berries like this. This makes a nice 4th of July dessert. Or a dessert, summer dessert. You can use any fruit of your choice. I got quite a few berries here. I think these blueberries, they're not local. They're out of New Jersey. Here's the strawberries from a local farm. Stevenson's Strawberries in Wayne, Maine. They have great berries. Good picking. I'm surprised because it's been so wet here. And it's raining again today. Then we're going to take some more. We're going to chunk it up. Just like this. Looks like maybe I'll have half a cake left. Look how nice that cake come out. Yum, yum, yum. This is a zero, no sugar cake, yellow cake. I forgot to mention that. You can buy them at Wally World. They're almost $4, or they are $4 now. But if you gotta have sugar-free, it does help. Okay, then we're going back in. Gonna take some cheesecake topping. Be a little generous with it. I'll have to make something else with this week or next week. I'm not sure. It's your offset spatula. They work great. I love them. Okay. And then we're going to put some whipped topping on there. Looks like we can probably do maybe one more layer. Maybe. We'll see. We'll get the berries in and then we'll see. Wipe, wipe, wipe. I guess I take after my grandmother that way. Yes, my grandmother, bless her heart. Oop, when I washed, I didn't see that stem. My grandmother liked to make Jell-O with fruit. Actually, I've got one on my page somewhere, and I had a lot of hits. I made it back like the Depression era time. And you're gonna see on my videos, I'm gonna come and go as I please now. I still have main things like everything I do with Elmer, I'll still be doing. But anything else, if I feel like doing it, I'm gonna do it because I have a lot on my plate right now. Yes, I do. Going through some hard times, losing my brother. Okay. And if you want to know about that, you can go to my community page. Okay. Isn't that looking good? I think I'm going to put one more layer. I'm going to make this a bad boy. It's going to be yummy. Yummy, yummy in this Grammy's tummy. There, we'll have a half a cake, and I may end up freezing this. Or if we end up going to my granddaughter's, I may take that. I don't know we don't know what we're gonna do today. Mr. R is gonna take me somewhere. I don't get out much to do anything. Okay. Got some cream cake mixture going on here. Oh yeah, this is our final layer. Yes, sirree so. And, whoops. There. Oh yeah. Yummy yum. Isn't this looking good? Have you made this before? And if you have, please leave it down in the comments using the cheesecake, whipped topping, and berries. I'd love to hear if you have. And we have some whipped topping. And again, I'm making a small one because, you know, Ray and I are diabetics. And I'm using the zero cake mix, blueberries and strawberries, the cheesecake, and the whipped topping. Okay. Take a little bit off here, a little bit off there. And now, the final is coming up. You can do your own design, whatever you want to do. Me, I'm just winging it. You know how Maniac Grammy is? She wings things. Oh, yeah. We'll poke a few in there. We'll poke one there. And there. And there. And in there. Just like this, because you're going to see what I'm going to do to the middle. We're just going to put the blueberries right here. And I washed my blueberries and I washed my strawberries. That's kind of mushy. I don't like mushy berries. No, I do not. And there you have it. I think I will call it good right there. This is an open collaboration. The host is Brenda. That is myself. Let me bring it up here. And I'd love for you to join in. Here it is right here. Yummy, yummy in this Grammy's tummy. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe. We'll see you on my next video. Bye now.